In this video, I will explain you how to create correlational research survey. First, you need to click Add-on, Coffee Form, and then Load Form Template. You can search correlational research. After you found it, just click Load Selected Template. You can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and the settings too. Just refresh the page, and then you can click Coffee Form and then Get Link. Just click Continue, and then go to your account. Click Advanced, and then go to Coffee Form. And then just click Allow. After you get the link like this, just copy it and paste it into your search engine. So the form is ready to use now. You can also custom your questions on your Google Spreadsheet. For example, I want to insert new row and then fill text for the question type. And then for example, for the question, I change it into name like this. So it will show like that. Also, you can change, for example, the question type I change into radio button, and for example I use gender here, and I fill the options too, like male or female. So it will show like this. You can also delete the row that you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear. And then in the settings tab, you can change the background color of your form. For example, I change it into soft blue like this. You can also change the style of your title. For example, here I delete the marked behavior, so the title will stop. Thank you.